Back to the time of the boomers, 1962, when toys were being made that you don't see anymore today.
This is the Mattel Shoot 'n' Shell Winchester, the only toy rifle that looks real enough to carry that famous Western name. It fires greeny stick-'em caps and safe shootin' shells, and ejects them. Fires greeny perforated roll caps, too. And with this secret trigger, it fires fast as you can handle it. This is Mattel's Durahide holster and Fanner 50. It fires roll caps, too. Holster, Fanner 50, and rifle come in Mattel's Frontier set. $5.50 wherever toys are sold. You can tell it's Mattel. It's swell.
Be sure to like and follow for more toys from the days of Gen X, and in this case, the boomers.